Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to another tutorial, whatever this is. Um, Today I'm going to be covering affiliate programs and how to get paid selling other people's things. So today it's going to be a very easy, simple tutorial, a walkthrough to get you started, get your feet wet, and from here on out you can expand as far and wide if you want, as you want. So, step number one, I will show you this affiliate program with Amazon. Very simple, very easy to sign up. I signed up yesterday and I shared a couple links yesterday, as you can see. Boom. Two got clicked on, it got sold. I think one was like 20 bucks, 30 bucks. I think both of them were about 30 bucks, and you get about 4%. But we'll get into that in just a moment, and I will show you everything that you can do with this. So this is mine right now, and I'm going to log out and create a new profile. Sign out, and you will be here throughout the whole process. So I'm signed out, add a new account. Okay, signed out. Let's go back to affiliate and an Amazon. All right, so we're going to do that. I'm going to click on this. Hopefully I'm still logged out. Boom, awesome. Earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. So this is great if you have a podcast, if you have a website. Awesome. So I signed in, and yeah, this is great if you have a podcast, if you have a website, you have a service that you provide to people that they depend upon you. They depend upon you. They depend on. You get what I'm saying. And that way, when you do your information that you're sharing, so an example for a podcast, you would just put a link into the description where people can copy and paste it or actually click it, and then they would they click it, they buy the product, you get a percentage. So as you can see here, it's going to ask us for your website. You put in your website if you have one. A Facebook would do as well. I'm going to put in the website that is my mom's, kimseysaid.com, add, and we're working on another one, but it doesn't matter right now. So I'll just leave that one there, go to next. Websites, boom. Mobile app, if you have one, go ahead and put it there. If not, don't worry about it. Are any of the websites or mobile apps listed above primarily directed to children under 13? So there was a new law passed just maybe 6 months ago, a year ago, where we were trying to protect children from marketing, which is very good because beforehand there was less rules to market to children than it was to even adults. So I'm glad that they've passed this. So that's why that question is there. So please read these instructions before you fill the form out. If you'd like to, they're there. Go ahead. What is your preferred associate store ID? Just so you know, I'm going to put in my mom's. What are your website most mobile apps about? Health information. Custom art. Let's see what else. So make sure to fill this field with whatever your website or your mobile app is about. Custom art, custom manufacturing, Reiki. Is that how you spell Reiki? Yep. Crystals, books, motivational stuff. Mental health. So I mean, just put in whatever you need to put in. Move on. Select the following topics best describe your website or mobile apps. Select the topics best describe your website or mobile apps. So best describe your website. Let's go to medical health beauty, and let's go to books. Yeah, let's go to books because books is something that we want to be promoting. So what type of Amazon items do you intend? Books. Honestly, I would do everything because you don't know what you would need for your business. If it's just books, if you know it's just books, just select that. Personally, I know that it doesn't matter because whatever link you provide, it attaches a cookie or a pixel to that individual, and whatever they buy, you still get a percentage on. So we're going to select everything here because we don't know. What are your website or mobile apps? What type? Comparison shopping, content and niche website, and coupons or D website search. So pick one if it matches it. But content or niche website would cover literally anything and everything that you might be doing. How do you drive traffic to website? So paid search, if you use like Google ads or YouTube ads or anything of that nature. Email, if you send people, and if you have an email list of people, you can send them to your website. Shopping portal, offline, display advertising, social networks, forums, rebate, SEO, blogs, lead generation. So there's a lot of things. You could click the ones that make sense. I mean, definitely offline if you even talk to people. Email, if you just email them the link, that's fine as well. As long as people click your link, you will make money. So how to utilize your website and apps to generate income? Commission, junction, eBay affiliate program, other affiliate programs. So if you belong to others, just pick this. Widgets, e-commerce, online retail, subscription service. So I'll go with e-commerce, online retail, and that's fine with that. How to usually build links? If you don't know, just put, doesn't matter. It honestly doesn't matter. So let's go with other. And how many total unique visitors to your website app gets a month? I mean, let's just go 500 to 5,000. It's fine. You can do less than 500. It is what it is. So, but I'm pretty sure we get around that. What's your primary reason for joining Amazon Associate? To monetize my site, obviously. How did you hear about us? Personally, word of mouth. From if you're getting it from me, word of mouth. It doesn't matter. So we have this 68B5WY. I agree to the terms. You can read them, obviously. I hope you read them before you sign your life away, but make sure to read them just so you know that you know what you're getting into. Finish. So we have that. Thank you for applying to the Amazon Social Program. Unique ID is Helen Day 20. So that will be for my mom, Helen Day. She's got a podcast called Mindful Life with Helen Day. You want to enter your tax information, so you can enter it now if you'd like. Okay, we'll do later, but you can figure that out. It's tax information. Very simple. So now we're here. New navigation bar. Click on top. Drop down menus. Change country. There's a lot of things that you can go through and explore in detail, but I'll just show you what you need to know right here and now. So get started. So you can see no sales. Total items shipped 0, just 0 on everything. And here, as you can see, where all your analytics is. So if you send out a link, or if you posted a link on your website or anywhere on your episode of podcast, you will see that you'll have how many clicks and then how many conversions. If you have 2 clicks and 100% conversion, that means both people bought it. So let's go to quick search product. Let's say you have a podcast and you want to show off a book. You want to talk about a book, and then you want to include that in the link so people can buy it. Let's go with and type in a book that I really appreciate. David Dita, or I'll just put in the name. The Way of the Superior Man. We're gonna go search. It's gonna look it up for us. Boom, there's the book, The Way of the Superior Man by David Dita, $16.95. You can get the link here, like that. And at this point, if you have a website, you can customize the widget as much as you'd like. As you can see, open a new window, show border, and then that's what it will look like on your website. People will click on it, and then they'll be directed to Amazon. Once they buy it, you get your percentage. Another way is here. You could get a text only. So you have this. It's also a link, or an image only. So then you have that. If you just want a link by itself, and then you can get there. You can copy this whole link if you'd like, or once on the drop down menu again, you can go shorten link with Amazon, and you get this tiny little pretty link that you can send to people, right? Shorten, copy, Control C, and then you can paste it in an email, send it to a person, right? So that'll be there. It takes you to here. Somebody buys it, you get a percentage. Basically, most of the things that you get paid for are 4% on things. And I mean, if you have 100 viewers, 1,000 listeners, and they all buy it, 4% adds up really quickly. if there's also like bounties for certain products, and you get paid $5, $10, $100, whatever it may be, to sell that to a person. And if you can, great. If you can't, don't worry about it. Just focus on what you want. Focus on the products that you actually use, like myself, and only endorse what you personally use and can personally endorse. I guess that's it's not a very poetic way to say it, but it is what it is. Yeah, and now you're set up for the future. Once you get this done, if you do more affiliate marketing, you can reach out directly to suppliers of a certain product if you use, like the microphone that I use. If you can see it right there. It is a Myrtle. It's called Myrtle from Ear Trumpet Labs. It is an amazing recording microphone. I use it for all my music production, for all my music recordings. Incredibly clear and just amazing voice quality that I receive from this. And I reached out to them directly, sent them an email saying, hey, I use this microphone for literally everything. I live and die by this microphone. I think you guys need more sales, more customers, and I'm happy to be the person to do that for you. If you can, if they can, or even if they can't, I'm going to do it regardless. Include a percentage for all the people that I do send to them. Now, this is just a win-win or a no-lose for everybody, because they don't have to invest in anything. I already have their product, and the more I talk about it, the more customers they get. So it's in everybody's best interest to do affiliate programming, to affiliate marketing. If you have an audience, you can pitch that to the people. You say, hey, I have an audience of this much. I'd love to get a percentage, and that way you can have some leverage over how much money you can make over affiliate marketing. There's no script for it, so just talk to them like human beings and say, hey, I want to help you because I love you. How can we make this work? Okay? So right now you're already an affiliate marketer. Just include the links to wherever you're posting and start making that money. Okay? Bye, guys. Thanks for tuning in.